Alright, what's up YouTube, man? I'm back with another video, and today I am finally getting my Diablo tune installed. I will be showing y'all a before and after when it comes to pulls and things of that nature. But yes, y'all, I am finally getting the Diablo tune. As y'all see, I'm gonna let it do the updates. I'm gonna show y'all everything I'm gonna be changing. I'm gonna do everything that I be seeing other people not do. Oh, damn, I can just get straight into it, but I'm not. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go to settings. I'm gonna go to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go to setup Wi-Fi because I need to set up my Wi-Fi, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on once I'm done setting up the Wi-Fi. So yeah, y'all give me a second, and then once it's done updating, I'm gonna turn the camera back on, and we're gonna get to tune in the car. All right, y'all. My bad for my voice. All right, y'all. So it is almost done updating, and then we're gonna get straight into tuning this bad boy. I am so ready, bro. Man, I've been waiting for this tune for ages. I've been looking at YouTube videos. Nobody's doing what I want them to do. So I'm finna do everything that I feel like every Charger RT64 Hellcat owner should do once you get the Diablo tune. By the way, y'all, I am doing the 93 tune. So if you're not doing the 93 tune, you might as well click out this video. But I am going to be changing my shift points. I am going to be changing my gear ratio. I am going to be changing all of that, man. So if y'all do want to stay tuned for that, I will section out the video so y'all can skip to it if y'all do want to. But we finna get straight into tuning this thing because it is basically done. So as y'all see it. All right, y'all. So the recalibration, the calibration update is done now. Now it's saying please wait while the tour reboots. So now we're gonna wait for that, and then it should let us tune. And then I will stop sitting in this car for almost an hour. So I'm going to leave the camera rolling. There's no more cutting out now. This is going to be raw and uncut footage for y'all because a lot of people... There we go. That's better for y'all. That's where I wanted y'all. That's where I wanted it to be at. So, yeah, this is going to be raw and uncut. Like I said from the beginning, I'm going to be doing everything that I feel like Charger owners should do to their Charger and their RTs, their 6.4s, their Hellcats. The Diablo tune, in my opinion, is probably the best tune to start off with if you're a beginner like me who doesn't really know too much about tuning but want to have a lot of performance. So what we're going to do is click yes. I'm going to click tune. It's in the wrong position, so we're going to click yes. By the way, this is the wrong position. The car is not on. But yeah. Please wait. Please don't tell me to do no more updates. I've been in this car for almost 30, 45 minutes letting it update. So please let this be done so we can just get into the actual tuning. Yes. Okay, y'all. So we are into the tuning. I'm going to go to advanced tuning. I'm going to go to adjust. So yes, I have different tire size. So we're going to do that too. Switch to sidewall, switch to height. Okay, never mind. We're not going to do tire size. I have no idea what that's talking about. I'm not going to lie to y'all. Traction control, I want that off. Disable, yes. No traction control, I do not want traction control. So now that's on, okay. Turn it off. It's off. Turn it on. All right, now it's on. All right, now we got traction control off. Transmission, axle ratio. I have the 3.6. Oh, it's already on the 3.6. 3.6. Set. Okay, that's good now. Turn it off. Okay, then turn it back on. Okay. Now, shift firmness, I do want that. Yes, increase for sure. I'm doing all of this first before we even install the tune, by the way, y'all. So, for those who don't know, this is just to adjust the tune before you even install your tune. This is all the things that I wanted other people to do, but they never did. But I'm going to show y'all how it's supposed to be done when you actually get the Diablo tune. Reset TP. Yeah, no, I'm not touching that. Don't even know what that is. Nothing else. PCM, same thing. Now we're going to click select tune. You already know I'm going for that big Diablo. Oh yeah, I forgot. See, I was right, y'all. So we do have to install. No, I do not want that, bro. I'm gonna just do modify stock tune, and then we'll do the Diablo. Wait, why doesn't it give me the Diablo tune though? 91 and jammer. Yeah, I'm gonna do modify stock tune for right now. And then next, it should give me the Diablo tune after that, if I'm not sure. 93. Oh, yeah, because it has to back it up. So, yeah, I was right. So, yeah, it does have to back up your first one, and then you have to actually install the actual Diablo tune. So, it's going to make you install either a 91 tune or a standard stock tune, which is what I'm doing right now. So I'm letting it download the stock tune. It's backing up the original, as you see right there, original backup. So if you ever want to get rid of the car, you can put it back to the stock tune, which is what it's doing right now. So yeah. All right, y'all. So now it gave me this screen. I clicked modify parameters. So of course we want our cooling fans. I'm gonna put it to, I want it lower. I'm gonna keep it at 180. That's the highest I want it at high RPMs. I'm going with 180. Save. Just 200 is way too high in my opinion. At low miles, same thing. Still don't want it at 200. That's way too high. Why would I want my car that hot? Putting everything to 180. All the fans to 180 and putting everything to 180. I always want to keep your car running cool. Yeah, didn't mean to do that. This is a very small device, by the way, y'all. Save. Oh my God, there's more fans. Like I said, y'all, if I was y'all, just keep it at 180. Don't have it, just keep your vehicle nice and cool. Don't go anything below 180. I feel like 180 is a perfect even number. So your car isn't running too bad. It's like stable-ish. But 200 is way too high, by the way, y'all. I don't even know why Dodge has the car running that high. But I'm putting mine to 180. Alright, so that's good. Putting all my friends to 180. Like, do y'all see how high that is, bro? 245 degrees. That's insane. Okay. Bam, bam. Holy shit. AC, wait, run AC off and drive. I guess I'll have it at... Fuck it, I'm going max. I'm going all out. Fuck it. Max, nigga. Max everything. I'm only doing max, y'all, because I never seen nobody do it in a YouTube video. So I want to see how the car runs with max. And this isn't even the Diablo tune, by the way. Bro, can it stop clicking that? Like, I'm literally clicking the bottom one. Thank you. Max. I hope I don't mess my car up, y'all, trying to do this YouTube video. But I ain't never seen nobody do this, so I am. MDS is terrible. Make sure y'all always turn this off. This can make your engine misfire. If y'all did not know, always turn that off. We're going to go down now. Rev. Oh, yeah, we want all of this off. Put that to max, of course, 190. Put that to max also. 6,000. All right, I ain't gonna lie. 6,500 sounds crazy, but I'm doing it. Skip it. Might as well skip it. That's just the rev limit. I'm not obviously gonna rev it that high, but y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on now. Wait, I just peeped. I have my idle to 400. That is 4. That is 4, by the way, y'all. Oh my God. I actually might change that because that's kind of crazy. I ain't gonna lie. But we gonna see. Maybe it's not that. Maybe I'm tweaking. Max throttle. I want to see how that feels. People tell me it's like a pedal commander. Save. Go back. Oh, I forgot. I don't know. I don't really know the little tire. I don't know how they do the tire thing on this, so I'll go back. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, it saved everything. Good. That's the control. I want that disabled. Yes. Alright. Continue. Off. And then on. Okay, transfer control is disabled. I'm gonna go down to transmission. I already did all of that. Okay, cool. And now we're gonna do apply tune. Alright, y'all, it's doing this little thing now. It's going crazy. So we're gonna see how it feels with the stock tune. And after that, we're gonna do that 93 tune. That Diablo tune. That's the tune I really want to do. This is just a modified stock tune. So yeah, it's still gonna be running on this stock tune. It's just gonna be a little modified. So we're gonna see how it runs, it performs. And yeah. By the way, I still don't know how they let you put your idle all the way to 4. I'm pretty sure your idle doesn't actually go all the way to 4. But if it does, then I'm turning off the car instantly because that's way too high for an idle. And I'm gonna put it to like probably like 1.7, 1.8, like high ones, bro. That's barely it, bro. I'm not doing 400 RPMs. That's crazy. But we're gonna see how the car runs. Let's see if it starts everything like that. So yeah, letting it right as tune. Okay, it says turn off. Click continue. And now it says turn on. And then click continue. Turn off again. And turn back on. Kind of nervous, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Since I maxed out all the settings, I never seen anybody do that. Tune complete. All right, so now we could unplug it and let's see how this bad boy runs.